Welcome to part 3 of our Windstorm features and benefits video. Today we're going to talk about some of the unique features that make this Windstorm stand out. We're going to show you the nozzle direction system. We're going to show you the toggle switches that allow you to adjust the nozzle direction system, both macro and micro toggle switches. We're going to show you the comfortable ergonomic control system for driving this unit, and we're going to cover the Tiger's Eye as well. The nozzle direction system is one of the most unique features about this unit. So this nozzle will move 180 degrees both left and right and 16 degrees down and up. Why is that important? Well, you can clear full areas and full widths without having to move the unit itself. Moving the unit itself can be tough on its hydraulic drive system, which in this unit is pumps and wheel motors. So instead of having to move the unit around, you can use this nozzle to direct the airflow where you need it. The nozzle direction system is also useful for people who need to direct the air down, for cleaning surfaces of dust and other debris to make sure it's very clean. This has applications in paving and seal coating, hardscaping, many more. Now that you've seen the nozzle direction system up close, let's see how we control it. There's two toggle switches here, one on the left and one on the right. The left toggle is for auto move left and auto right. A simple flick of the switch will go all the way to the left or all the way to the right. On the right here we have a micro adjustment which allows you to move the nozzle just a little bit in any direction. This gives you infinite control over the pattern of the unit while it's blowing. You also have up and down here for 16 degrees of up and down control. The Windstorm's controls allow for an infinitely variable blowing pattern from left to right in 180 degrees. That's important because you get full power of this unit from all the way to the left, all the way through to the right. On the competitor's unit, in order to control airflow, there's a block-off plate inside of this housing. And that block-off plate blocks the airflow when going center or left. You're not actually getting the full power of the unit blowing straight or blowing to the left. On the Windstorm, you get 180 degrees of pure power. In video 1, we talked about the frame of this unit being the same as a V-Ride 2, but actually the controls are the same as well. Driving this unit is no different from a V-Ride 2. And because of that, you don't have any pop-up handles here. These are pure ergonomic control handles that have been refined over 2 generations of premium stand-on mower. The Tiger's Eye Advanced Monitoring System is one of the newest innovations from Skag. With a simple glance down, we can see all of the key safety systems of this mower to potentially troubleshoot a no-start condition, among other things that you can troubleshoot using the Tiger's Eye. So for example, this unit won't start. How come? Well, I'm turning the key and nothing's happening, and I see down here that the parking brake is not illuminated. Well, forgot to turn the parking brake on. Simple fix, unit will start right up. There's many other examples of that throughout the Tiger's Eye. This has been part 3, the final video in our Skag Windstorm Features and Benefits series. Click here for video 1 in the series, or click here for video 2 in the series. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope that you've seen here with these 3 videos exactly what makes this unit so unique. Skag's engineering team and all the folks at Skag have come together to build a really, truly incredible piece of machinery. Anyone who needs to blow anything, debris, leaves, grass, paving contractors, anything like that, this unit is going to be the top of the line for your needs.